Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Raydium CPMM liquidity pool on Solauncher, and how to use the optional Snipe Buy feature to snipe your own token the moment liquidity goes live. Let's get into it. Start by heading over to solauncher.org. On the sidebar, click on Create Liquidity Pool to get started. This page lets you launch a brand new liquidity pool on your chosen DEX right from Solauncher. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Protocol. You've got 4 options here: Raydium AMM, Raydium CPMM, Meteora, and PumpSwap. For this tutorial, I'll be using Raydium CPMM. Step 2. Token pair. First, choose your fee tier. You can pick from 0.01%, 0.05%, 0.25%, or 1%. Then paste in your base token mint. That's your token's contract address. And optionally, your quote token mint, if you're not pairing against Sol. Step 3. Initial liquidity. Here, you'll set your base amount, how many of your tokens go into the pool, and your quote amount in Sol, how much Sol you're pairing it with. These two amounts together set your token's starting price. There's also a start trading time field. If you leave both fields here empty, trading starts immediately as soon as the pool is created. But if you want to schedule your launch for a specific time, you can set that here instead. Now, step 4, and this is the part a lot of you have been asking about: Snipe Buy. This one's completely optional, and it costs 0.02 Sol per wallet. Snipe Buy lets you use dedicated wallets to instantly buy your token the moment your pool goes live, before anyone else even has a chance to. You can add up to 3 wallets here, each with its own private key and its own Sol to buy amount. So why would you want this? Here's the thing: a lot of creators want to take profit early, without linking those sells back to their dev wallet. If you snipe and later sell from your main dev wallet, holders can see that on-chain, and it often triggers panic selling. By using dedicated snipe wallets instead, you keep that activity completely separate from your dev wallet, so you can take profit without spooking your own community. A quick but important security note here: Solauncher only asks for the private keys of these dedicated snipe wallets, never your main wallet. Those keys sign the buy transactions on the server and are never stored afterward. Still, always use fresh, dedicated wallets for this, never your main wallet's private key. And make sure each wallet has enough Sol loaded before you create the pool, since the Snipe Buy happens instantly at launch. Before you hit that final button, you'll see a quick summary: your protocol, your initial price, and your network. Double-check everything here looks right. Once you're happy with everything, just click Create Pool. The platform fee for this is 0.07 Sol. Confirm the transaction, and just like that, your liquidity pool is live. And if you set up Snipe Buy, your dedicated wallets will have already bought in at launch. And that's how you create a Raydium CPMM liquidity pool on Solauncher, with the option to snipe your own tokens safely using dedicated wallets. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more Solauncher tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you'd like a deep dive into the other DEX protocols, like Meteora or PumpSwap next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.